Hello, welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to improve your balance and best coordination exercises for athletes. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Finding balance in all areas of your life is the way forward. This includes developing balance in your body. Improving balance increases coordination and strength, allowing you to move freely and steadily. Enhancing stability, mobility, and flexibility makes it easier to perform your daily tasks. It also improves your athletic performance. Focusing on your balance may also help you to focus and clear your mind. Balance is something many of us take for granted, but everyone can benefit from improving it. Balance training exercises strengthen core muscles and improve stability, making you lighter on your feet. Balance training can help anyone at any age. Athletes find it can make them more powerful. Seniors use it to prevent injuries from falls and maintain independence, and fitness lovers know it helps improve workouts and everyday life. Just moving around efficiently in life requires healthy postural alignment and good balance. Proprioceptive training is used with athletes all the time, to both rehab and prevent injuries. Simply put, proprioception is a sense of joint position. By practicing balance exercises, the athlete gains a sense of control and awareness of their joints, and how they function when the body is in motion. Think about ankles. Ankle injuries are common in athletes due to twisting, turning, stopping, and starting. Even the strongest ankle can be injured if the athlete hasn't trained the neuromuscular system to react properly on a variety of surfaces. Balance training also gives an athlete more power and force because they learn to use their center of gravity more efficiently. A stronger, more connected core helps you jump higher, throw farther, and run faster. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Balancing exercises work your core muscles, lower back, and legs. Lower body strength training exercises can also help improve your balance. While balancing exercises can be challenging at times, consistent effort will make these exercises easier. Gradually increase the number of repetitions as the exercises become easier. You may ask someone to supervise or assist you, especially when you're first getting started. You can modify the exercises to increase or decrease the difficulty, or adjust for your needs. Start on your non-dominant side so that the second side is easier. You can do your non-dominant side twice if you want to balance out your body between both sides. Once you get comfortable with the exercises, try doing them with one or both eyes closed. Everyone can benefit from balance training. Here's a closer look at how it can help you at different stages of life and fitness levels. 1. Tree pose. Tree pose is great on the floor, a folded mat, or Bosu. It strengthens your ankles, improves your balance, and engages your core. Stand with feet together, spine tall, and arms outstretched. If you are on a Bosu, you can use either side, ball, or flat. Slowly lift your left foot up to the side of your calf, and balance on the right foot only. Slowly lift arms overhead to make the branches of the tree. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch legs. 2. Single leg deadlift. With or without dumbbells, this move not only strengthens your hamstrings and glutes, but also challenges your balance and activates your abdominal wall. Stand on either the ball side of a Bosu or the floor with feet close together, and put most of your weight onto your right foot. Stare at a focal point on the floor in front of you, and slowly lower your torso to the ground while lifting your left leg behind you. Keep your spine neutral and reach your hands toward the floor. Stop when your back is parallel to the floor. Keep your right knee soft. Squeeze your hamstrings, glutes, and abs as you slowly raise back up and return your back foot to the floor. Switch sides. Try for 8 deadlifts on each side. 3. Banded tripling or toe taps. Put a resistance band around your lower thighs, just above your knees. Come into a single leg, quarter squat on your right leg. Engage your core and hips muscles. Using the resistance of the band, tap your left leg forward, to the side, and straight behind you. Do 10 to 20 repetitions. Then do the opposite side. 4. Single leg crossbody punches. Hold 2 dumbbells at chest height. Yield your weight onto your left foot, coming into a quarter squat. Keeping your left leg strong and stable, punch the weights across your body, one at a time. Then do the opposite side. Do 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions. 5. Pull off press with rotation. Stand facing a cable machine. Using both hands, hold the cable handles at the height of your chest. Walk to the right side and extend your arms away from your body. Engage your core as you turn away from the machine, maintaining alignment through the center line of your body. Keep your arms extended and return to the starting position. Then do the opposite side. Do 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions. Why balance is important? Improved balance makes daily activities, such as walking on stairs, carrying heavy items, and suddenly changing directions, easier. A strong, stable base will allow you to move with more coordination, ease, and fluidity. You'll also gain stronger and more enhanced movement during athletic activities. Developing a good balance helps to improve your overall health and fitness levels. These improvements help to prevent the risk of injury and fall, especially in older adults and people with Parkinson's disease. This allows you to maintain your independence longer. Remain aware of your posture and stability throughout the day. Notice if you're yielding your weight evenly on both feet, and work to root your weight into your feet. You can also pay attention to whether you tend to yield your body weight forward, or backward in space. Try to bring your body into proper alignment and feel a strong connection to the floor. Notice where and how you lose your balance, and make the appropriate corrections in your body. Coordination is the ability of your arms, legs, and other body parts to move in a controlled way. This is when multiple body parts work together at the same time to complete a task. For athletes, coordination is crucial to improve their training performance and achieving consistently better results. Having the intention to improve your balance can be as challenging as it is rewarding. Remember that your balance can vary daily. Enjoy the process, notice the variations, and have fun with it. You can do these exercises throughout the day, and find creative ways to incorporate them into your daily life. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.